Hello guys, once again. Finally, we made it. I was out for about almost a week, 3-4 days. I made a big mistake there, guys. Remember, every time you go to the gym, don't go straight 7 days a week because our body system and muscle mass got fatigue as well. So, well, good thing we made it today. It's Saturday afternoon here. Today, probably we're gonna do a basic lat pull down and a little bit harder lat pull down as well. Probably a couple sets eight. So let's start cracking. Okay, guys, one down. So every time I do workout, I check the equipment and I start into lightweight. So I start in 55 pounds and now I'm gonna move up to 85 pounds. And now these days, guys, like I said, easy to use the equipment and the machinery. Everything is there. Just follow the instruction and you're good to go. Well, the gym today is not too bad, so quiet, so it's easy to jump in. But I like the fitness coaching area. So it's pretty quiet here too. Okay. That's the most basic lat pull down, this bar. So next one, we're gonna use this rope. So we have to careful a bit because this is a bit harder, guys. Okay. Okay, one more and we're good to go. Take precaution, guys, if you're out at the gym, either one or 2 days or 5 days. Be aware and then don't forget stretching and then warm up. And every time take precaution and don't rush in, guys. Even though the most basic routine gonna hurt you because you cannot avoid injuries if you go to the gym, guys. So just take it easy, step by step, and you're gonna be there, guys. Pardon for the delay, guys. One thing though, always remember proper form and technique will help you a lot, guys. Probably that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good weekend. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys.